In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable virtualization in Windows 11 and 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
Go to the bottom right where it has your Windows icon, click on settings, and then what you want to do is just go ahead and find settings, like here, and then you're going to see a lot of different things, but what you want to do is go over to system, then scroll down and you're going to see recovery. So go ahead and click on that, then you're going to see advanced startup as the option. Go ahead and click on that and then just press restart now, and then just wait for your PC to go ahead and restart. Okay, now once it's restarted, it's going to look something like this, and what you want to do is click on troubleshoot, and then what you want to do is go to advanced options, and then you want to go to UEFI firmware settings, like so. Go ahead and click on that and then press a restart like here. It's going to look something like this, and then just go ahead and press delete a few times. Now once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different things, but what you want to do is go to advanced, and then from here go to CPU configuration, which is right up here for me, and I'm basically going to see a lot of different things here. And all I want to do if I'm on AMD is I want to go ahead and enable SVM mode. So right now I'm on SVM mode. So it's disabled, so all you want to do is go ahead and enable it. So because I'm on AMD, and if you're on Intel, what you have to do is you just want to go to CPU configuration again, and then you're going to see Intel virtualization technology. Just go ahead and enable that. It might also be Intel VTD, and just enable that, and then just restart your PC, and then you'll be good to go.